How is your brother? What's his mindset right now?
He sent out a very clear instruction today that you have to go out, protest outside the returning officer's office, and recover your seats, the ones that have been stolen. It wasn't Imran Khan's vote that they took away. They took away the right of 15 million people to recognize the symbol. That bat was a symbol that 15 million people who are illiterate recognize their candidate with the symbol.
Do you have faith that they will be able to reverse those results?
It's not his wish, it's the vote, the people's vote. The time has come that you have to respect the vote.
Do you think your brother owes it to his supporters to compromise and to work with the other sides?
I don't know, I can't speak for my brother right now, but I'll speak for myself. I would be so upset if you go and sit with people who were participants in the abuse, the human rights abuse, the women, the way they were abused, the homes that were broken into, the children that were threatened. I would never expect them to be supported.
Nawaz Sharif was the first to come out and claim victory, saying his party was the largest party and that Pakistan doesn't have the space for a fight. What's your response to that?
As a Pakistani, first tell him to give back all the seats he's stolen. He's got to return those. Nawaz Sharif has been sent back, and this is how he does it. He spends 4 years in London. They plunder all our wealth. And I think it's a big insult to Pakistanis that we accept people like that. We don't. You know, it's like I'd be embarrassed as a Pakistani to think that this is acceptable for us. It isn't acceptable to Pakistanis. They were helpless in challenging because they had no alternative. So that's what Imran Khan was, an alternative.
What's the strategy? What next?
He's got to recover the stolen constituencies, and people will have to go out. He's in prison, he's in jail, so they have to now go and recover the stolen mandate.
And if they do, then what?
Then you form a government. Then PTI forms the government, which is their mandate.
And are you confident they will?
It should happen. I mean, they won the seats. They have 2/3 majority. So why should they not be forming the government?
The official results suggest that they don't.
Well, they're being challenged right now. People have gone to High Court. The most important thing is that the people have decided to take the decision out of other people's hands, and they would like to select their own representation. That's it.